Hi, my name's Amy from Stafford Land Rover, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have the gorgeous Land Rover New Defender HSE 90. This vehicle comes with a D250 diesel engine alongside an 8-speed automatic transmission. This particular model comes in Santorini Black, tying in beautifully with its dark features. It has some fantastic spec, including its 22-inch 5-split spoke alloys in 5098 style with a gloss black finish, premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights ensuring the best view of the road ahead. It has keyless entry along with power folding wing mirrors for when you unlock and lock your vehicle, which are also heated and feature approach lights, and even privacy glass to finish off its sleek exterior. At the rear you have a manually controlled tailgate, and as you can see there's more than enough storage space for all your personal items or maybe even a weekly shop. You do however have the additional option to fold down your rear seats to further enhance your capacity. Heading into the back of your vehicle, you have an electrically and manually powered front seat for easy access. In the centre you have a storage compartment with access to 2 USB-C ports, a fixed cup holder alongside, Meridian surround sound system to give you the highest quality listening experience, and on your beautifully designed Ebony seats you also have ISOFIX points, with your central seat also acting as an armrest for maximum comfort with fixed twin cup holders. Now hopping into the front of your vehicle, you have a part leather multifunctional steering wheel, your generously sized digital touch display screen, along with that Meridian surround sound system, again with the gorgeous ebony leather seats that are 18-way heated and cooled front seats and fully electrically adjustable. Your sliding panoramic roof is perfect for those sunnier days to give your vehicle a more open feel. On your driver's side door you see your electrically controlled wing mirrors and windows, along with your memory seat function to ensure every journey is as comfortable as your last. Your steering wheel offers your phone book, voice recognition system, lane assist, even limit your speed with cruise control or access your heated steering wheel on those winter months. You can also adjust the settings just above, such as your info, display, trip and vehicle settings, with multiple features inside. This vehicle has done 1,779 miles, subject to change due to test drives. At the centre you'll find your large touchscreen display, along with your leather automatic gear knob and your climate control. Just below you have a storage compartment with access to USB and USB-C ports, your fixed twin cup holders, your gorgeous leather central armrest also lifting to reveal a large storage compartment, perfect for your personal items on those longer journeys. On your main display screen, you have access to all the latest infotainment features. And as you can see, you can also find your 360-degree surround camera system for both on-road and off-road purposes, making reversing and manoeuvring much easier and safer. Your voice recognition system, easy to make those hands-free commands. You also have an amazing wade sensing feature, informing you of the water depth with a visual display and an audible tone, which will increase as the depth rises to know you're safe off-roading. You also have your weather for your current, hourly and 5-day tracker. Maybe you'd like to find your navigation for a clear view of where you're heading, or just find your favourite radio station to set the perfect mood for every journey. Just below you have your 2-zone climate control. Here you can individually change the temperature within the cabin for both driver and passenger, or you can sync this as a pair to suit your preferences. You can also change the direction of airflow, along with the airflow coming through the vents. At the push of a button, you can access your heated and cooled seats, which are fully adjustable once again for both driver and passenger. And you do also have terrain response with this model, with multiple features, as you can see, making this vehicle perfect for any driving conditions you may encounter.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year warranty along with roadside assistance. Please call us on 01785 899 446 or inquire online.